Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well and that you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a summary to your LinkedIn account, so let's get right into it. First of all, why would you even want to add a summary? Well, in short, a summary is an about section where you write about who you are and what you do, and just describe yourself a little bit. And this is very meaningful to your potential employers if you are looking for a job, whether it be through LinkedIn or not. People like to see, or rather employers like to see, a well taken care of LinkedIn account. And if you add a summary which summarizes in a few words what you do, or in a few sentences, employers do appreciate that quite a bit, so that they don't have to jump through hoops to get to know you. Now, the way you actually do this is by going into your account, by clicking on the Me icon in the top right, and then go to View Your Profile. This is a completely fresh profile. I made this today. I just input some completely random information that is absolutely not true about me. And the way you actually add your summary section, it is basically, as I've said, the About page, and what you want to do is go to the Add Profile section button, and here you can add a lot of things, but what we want to add is this, Add About. Just click on that, and then you will be able to write a summary. In this instance, I will write excuse me, I is my pause button. Just .ac will be enough for this tutorial, since it is a tutorial account. Click Save, and now that you do, if I refresh my profile page, what you will see is that the About section has been added here, and then you can just click this pencil and edit it in the future, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.